Sir.
Hello, myself Manoj from Sundar Techno Solutions. Today we are giving a live demo of KVM extenders, which is used in transportation industry up to 20 kilometers, where we can transmit the audio, video, and USB data to faraway place. And let us see this. I have unpacked and kept here in my lab. Let us see what is there in this thing. And this is an embedded computer. This is an embedded computer with i3 processor and completely fanless. And this is connected. It is powered. Here is this powered, and it is connected here. This is powered, and then the VGA output is coming to here, and here is the audio output. Here there is audio output. This audio output is coming here, and then USB is coming here. Okay, and this is connected to our Wi-Fi network, so that we can display some videos and all that in this. Some videos are running in this. Okay, this is the transmitter, and here is the SC connector. You can see the SC connector of this thing, and a single mode SC connector is there, and this transmitter is transmitting these cables 20 kilometers away. Here is actually lab setup. We have put around 10 meters, but actually it is transmitting 20 kilometers away. Okay, and then here it's a receiver. Receiver also you can see one VGA cable, one audio cable, VGA cable, and you see it has, you can tight it like this. VGA cable, audio cable, USB cable. Okay, so like this. This is a receiver having a VGA cable connected to the display, and whatever video running here is transmitted 20 kilometers away and running here, and so whatever the audio is coming here, you can see there is a speaker. Whatever audio coming through this, now I will increase the sound.
So as a part of that way of being, I did a lot of stuff.
Are you able to hear the audio?
Years of work, maybe by the time I was getting in my 30s, where
Okay, I'm muting the audio, and whatever this thing USB, here there's a USB connected here, and it's coming here. You see USB I'm reducing, USB I'm increasing, reducing, and I am putting here. This is cable. This is keyboard connected here. So okay, A B C. Okay. Okay, so this is the setup. So like this, we have the KVM complete setup.